Hey guys, I thought I'd add my penny's worth of viewpoint really on a copyright claim issue that YouTube is enforcing quite stringently at the moment. Basically what happens is channels like mine who are monetizing and making money from videos, although I don't make an awful lot of money from it at the moment. The channel's too small, but if you decide to do a tutorial video, you can get struck, which means that they stop your monetization for that video. Now, very simply, my attitude is that if I'm going to take time out of my day and do a tutorial video on a song, that's going to do one of two things. People either know the song or they don't know the song, and if they don't know it, they're going to go and download it if they like it, and it's creating revenue for that particular artist. So I find this whole issue quite disconcerting. I know there are some bigger channels and these guys probably rely on the income as their sole source, so I feel a bit sorry for these guys. So YouTube, if you're listening, I think it's a bit unfair. So I'd be interested to hear what other people think, if you think that it's fair or not fair, and let's open a discussion up. Anyway, so there, I've said it, and have a great day, and I'll be with you with some more videos very, very soon. Probably not showing you how to play a song though. Okay, take care.